Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the reset now. First, back up any unsynced files to Drive or a USB so data isn't lost. Once done, sign out and make sure the device is plugged in or has more than 20% battery to avoid interruption. Next, open Settings, scroll to Advanced, find Reset Settings and choose Power Wash. Click Restart to initiate. This clears local accounts and returns the device to factory state, which removes user data, but keeps firmware and OS intact. You'll now confirm the reset and let the system reinitialize. When the Chromebook restarts, choose Power Wash and select Continue, then confirm you want to remove accounts. This step wipes local profiles. The device will perform its reset and reimage. Do not close the lid or unplug the charger during this process to avoid corruption. Once the reset finishes, you'll see the out-of-box experience. Connect to Wi-Fi, accept terms, and sign in with your Google account to restore synced data, and finish by restoring files from Drive or your USB and verify Chrome Sync is enabled so bookmarks, passwords, and extensions reappear. If the Power Wash fails or the Chromebook won't boot, use the Chromebook recovery utility on a second computer to create a recovery USB and reinstall the OS. This fixes corrupted partitions. If you're stuck at the welcome screen, try a hardware reset. Hold ESC and refresh, then press power to trigger a manual power wash. Make sure to reconnect Wi-Fi and sign back in once complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.